Okay guys, so welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is what we'll be drawing today, as you can see. So as always, you go to file, new, and create. So here is my own platform. The first thing you want to do is come to edit sketch, then draw on this plane because we'll be drawing the plan. We'll be starting by plan. And look here, our top is not looking normal, so we have to press this. Yeah, it's not looking like a normal written top. So the first thing we want to do is we want to draw a rectangle. So a pick rectangle to come to this center, get a green dot, then drag upwards. Now we know we want to draw 60 by 50. So 60 by 50, yeah. So I tell it make my this size 60, then don't touch, come here, adjust this to 50 also, and enter. Yeah, that is done. So let me click on zoom in. So we want to draw lines. I'm coming. Yeah, you pick your line too. So we have 10, 10, 10, then 130. So let's draw. This is our first 10. Don't worry, don't measure, just draw. We use dimension to get it. First 10, second 10, third 10. Then we don't need to measure for 30. 30 is gonna, just take its space by itself. So pick on dimension to touch this line and this line, drag up here, tell it okay, hello, I want it to be 10 meter. Yeah, then dimension to still on, you touch here to here, then drag it upwards. Let's click again, 10, enter, then touch here also, drag it here upwards, then do 10 again. So automatically this guy is going to be 30, but let's just confirm, drag here, can you see it's 30, so accept. Yeah, so next we want to draw another line. Pick your line to come here, drag it this way, make sure your lines are always straight, come here again, drag it this way. So I think this is 20, 10, 20. So you go to dimension 2 again, pick here, drag it out, we have 20, then pick here, drag it out, we have another 20. So automatically the center is going to be 10. Yeah, so we draw a square, right? Draw a square which both sides is 10. Click here also 10, press enter, draw a square again. We have 10 by 10, press enter. So you go to dimension to want here to here to be 10 mm, 10, want here to here to be 10 also. Okay, it's already 10 automatically, so accept. Then distance of here to here should be 5, enter. Distance of here to here should be 5, enter. So you come here again, pick this line, then go to trim, touch this center. Yeah, so are we done? Yes, finish sketch. So if you take us to the plan, here is my plan. Then we begin to extrude. We come to extrude, you touch these two planes, they are 10, 10, cool, okay. Come back to extrude, click on the plus sign, right click, then toggle on visibility. Then let's look at it from the top, click on top here. Yeah, then this place, extrude again, this place is 5. Yeah, 5, okay. I think this place is 10, extrude again, this place is 10, 10, enter. Then this place, extrude again, this place is 55, 55, enter. So let's look at it from this side. Then we'll come to fillet, make it 25 because the radius is 25, then touch these two sides, fillet is all done, then press OK, and let's go to the right facing front, then let's zoom in, enter, then let's edit sketch, this surface, sorry, zoom in. So pick our rectangle tool. So we have 30 by 20. Enter, draw another one. We have 20 by 10. Enter. So pick dimension 2 from here to this wall is 10. Enter. Then from here to here is 20. Enter. So here to here is 5, and here to here is 5. Yeah, so we finish our sketch. Come to extrude, touch on this guy, then we do all through and cut. Done. You come back to extrusion, visibility on, then you come on to extrude, touch this guy. Now it's 5mm, it's not all through, it's 5. Cut. And okay, so here you go, we are done with the diagram. Then you can just come back, to turn off every visibility. Then I think here we turn on all the visibility. So here's the diagram. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Bye and peace out.